Ever had a coffee cake that's so crumbly, so aromatic, and just melts in your mouth? Today's recipe will check all those boxes. Hey Lemon Kun fam, welcome back to our channel. Today we are baking a delicious coffee cake with a rich streusel topping and a smooth vanilla glaze. And just a heads up, there's actually no coffee in this cake. It's called a coffee cake because it's the perfect treat to enjoy with a cup of coffee. Let's jump right in without any delay. First we are making the streusel filling. In a mixing bowl, add brown sugar, all-purpose flour, ground cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Give it a quick mix. Now add melted butter and give a good mix. You can crumble it with hands. It looks like wet sandy mixture. This looks perfect. Set this aside for later. Grease 8 by 8 inch cake pan and line it with parchment paper to make removing the cake easier. Now is the perfect time to preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Before we start the cake batter, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out our delicious recipes. Now let's prepare the cake batter. Start by sifting the dry ingredients. Take all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Sift together and mix it, then set aside. In a large bowl, add softened unsalted butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar. Beat until it's light and fluffy. Add eggs one at a time, making sure each one is well mixed before adding the next. Now, add sour cream, and splash of vanilla essence. Add dry ingredients and fold with a spatula. Mix just until you can't see any lumps. Over mixing will make the cake dense. Pour half of the batter into the cake tin. Spreading it evenly with a spatula. Sprinkle half of the streusel mixture over the batter. Dollop the remaining batter over the streusel, gently spreading it out. Be careful to spread in one direction to keep things neat. Finally, top with the remaining streusel crumble, evenly distributing it over the top. Bake for 50 to 55 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. While the cake is baking, let's make the vanilla glaze. In a bowl, combine powdered or icing sugar with the vanilla essence, adding milk gradually until you get a smooth consistency. The cake is done and my kitchen smells amazing. Let it cool in the pan for a bit, then transfer it to a cooling rack. Once cool, drizzle the icing over the top of the cake. Let's cut a piece and see how it looks. It's so good! The top is crumbly, crunchy, and the glaze just brings it all together. Perfect with a hot cup of coffee. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave us a comment with your feedback. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep baking, keep smiling.